Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V29 Lite and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where you can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the shortest ones, and the first one is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, you are provided with both email numbers and a serial number of this device. Let me maybe quickly make the device silent. Alright. So the second code, which is also quite short, is going to transfer you to the general information. It is *##09#. And here we've got general information, so as you can see, again the email number, but also the barcode, product name, software build version, etc. You can scan those QR codes and learn more. Another code is *##426##. And here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status. And here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last being or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you another code, which will also open the testing menu. It is *##4636##. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone information, such as the car network, data network type, or voice network type. Of course, I do not have any kind of information here because I do not have my SIM inserted. If you've got one, you will be able to check everything. You can run ping test here, and after tapping on the three dots icon, you can also view fixed dialing numbers or enable data connection. Let's go back and usage statistics. So basically here we've got the list of all apps and processes which are currently on this device, so you can sort them by usage time, last time used, or app name. So it's totally up to you. You can check the information. And the Wi-Fi info, API configuration, and the status. Let me refresh the stats, and here we can check the information just like the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Let me go back, that's all for this code, and let's open the version test. It is *##225###. And here we are in the version test. Basically, again, the technical information about your device, so software build version again, barcode again, secure boot, attestation key, VGC version, etc. So quite important options and information. Alright, so another code, and actually the last code which I'll present you today is *##558#. And here we've got the factory test. Basically, here you've got the settings, so you can check the privacy, debugging port, or OQC test. Let's enter it. First of all, we have to scan this QR code, but let's pretend I have done it. So just tap on have scanned. Now QC test, and here we've got the options which we can test, so check the specific components of our device. So for example, check the email. If you're typing on the email and you can see both of the numbers, everything works fine. Your device, after getting back, will ask you whether the test worked normally, so whether it show you the proper information. So just tap on normal, and as you can see, it will be ticked, so you can check everything in your device. I mean, music, file manager, Bluetooth test, phone info, country parameter, load status. So just have fun with this code. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.